Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction, Bitcoin forecast, or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the weekly and in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, my friend, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see here, us we are here in the weekly, and the weekly candle here, it's breaking for us the 200 moving average above. That's a very huge signal. The market is going to change. Yes, the 50 moving average here is still below in the 200 moving average, but sun is going to cross above. Because we don't base our trading about the 50 moving average and crosses, because those ones majority of the time they enter too late. The cross is going to happen very late, so I don't need to base you trading about that. Because the most important here is that one, when we break in here above the 200 moving average. Now guys, I can tell it to you now, official us, we are in a bull market that no one will take it from you. And another thing here, let me show it to you. Also, we've been talking about that one sometimes now. We've been saying we got here a very clear megaphone here, like that. Even that megaphone here, it happened here, that break here. So all that, it's showing a good sign the market will go higher. And even we got another thing, that one we showed it to you before, but it's okay to show it to you again. We break in here that the lower or the top of that wage here, we go up, then we came down, we test it again here. Now we're showing us we are here in a bull market. Official, guys. Now no one will take that from you. Yes, it's going to happen some corrections or some things like that, but official, you are now in a bull market. Remember those things what I'm telling you. You are now official in a bull market. I think picture is too clear, guys, and that's what us we been saying thousands of times. If for the people they been with us for some time now, we been telling you guys, when we been here at that level here, we been telling you guys, just they say you are in a very nice level to buy. And another thing here, let me show it to you. That one here, if you remember when our indicator is enter here, the oversold area, and here we've been telling you guys, is the right time. That indicator of us when it's enter here to the oversold area is the right time to start buying. Look at it. People they been with me, they buying from 18k, they buying from 15k. Some people they been telling others, oh, it's going to 10k. They just scaring you. Look where we are now. And look here now. Look here, you got a very clear head and shoulder. And the market is breaking the neckline here now. Now, where is the next stop here? That the most important part for all that. Let me show you the next stop here. Where it's going to be? The next stop is going to be here at that supply and demand zone here, which is at 26k. So that one you need to be focused about it. Another one you got it here near to 40k. So now official us, we are in a bull market. It's going to happen some corrections because till now there is no big volume entering into the market, and that week is a very huge week. But also we are officially in a bull market, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week. For pictures to get more clear to you, so it's going there. Here we are at the coming news for all the week. As you see it, Monday we don't got nothing special here, just about the Eurozone. Then in Tuesday what we got here that exiting home sales at 2 o'clock GMT time. And Wednesday, that one is going to be a little bit tricky. And that the most important day for that week is it here. As you see it, we got the FOMC price conference and the Fed interest rate decision. So all of us, we are still waiting if they are going to increase interest rate by 0.50 or 0.25, because about what's happening to the banking sector, I don't think so. They are going to increase by 0.50, because if they increase by 0.50, that very bad for US economic. So you need to be careful about that day, guys. Maybe we're going to see some corrections that day. But if they increase by 0.50, we're going to see other banks, they are going to collapse. Remember my word, because today someone, I forget his name, he said more than 196 banks in USA, they are in danger to bankruptcy. So that one is a huge number. So you need to be careful, guys. That way also we've been telling you, put your money in Bitcoin. And like that is you controlling your money. Bitcoin, no one printed, as CZ said today. So, and no one control it. That the most important, you the only person who can control his money. Yes, there is some criteria. If you put your money in an exchange or in a wallet, your own wallet, if you keep in the 12 or 24 keywords, that's another story. But here, everything it's getting bad and worse and worse. Then what we got here in Thursday, we got something here, as you see it here. That Thursday, what we got building permit as it's at 12 o'clock. Then we got initial jobless claim. Then we got new home sales. All those ones, they got major impact to the market. Then in Friday, we got durable goods order. So I think picture is too clear, guys, for you here. And here, what we got here is our friend, as you see it, what it's telling us here. All US stocks, they are red. And that's what also we saying in the last video. We give you exactly where to enter, where to go out if you watch the last video. Plus here, the VEX, what it's telling you here. The VEX is telling you the scarcity is too high compared to the market. Also, we are 25, guys. If you remember, just in Friday, we are 22. Today, we are 25.51. And I think it's going to go to 30. Remember my word. Tomorrow, maybe you're going to see a green day because tomorrow is Monday. But the next days, you're going to see the market is falling down. So I think we are passing a very bad days. I'm talking here about your stocks. But for Bitcoin, everything is looking perfect. Yes, we're going to see a correction, but not that much. And even US dollar here, as you see it, it's falling down. So everything it's look bad now. Now let's go into the daily to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. Here in the daily, if you remember what me I told in the last video, I told you we got here inside bar here. That inside bar even here is getting broke here. Now what should you do? Should you enter short? Not yet, my friend. It's not yet. The only thing people they haven't entered is going to happen a correction. Maybe just to here, as you see it, to the 25k, that level here. If you haven't entered, when the market make that correction here, I'm talking here about long-term traders or long-term investors. When the market make that correction here to 25k, try to find a place where to enter. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. Try to find a place to start buying. Because me, I'm thinking the Bitcoin is going to fall down here to that 25k. Then after that, it's going to go to break higher. And tomorrow Monday is going to tell us where is the Bitcoin is going all the week. Because tomorrow Monday, as the people they been with us, they know Monday tell us where is the market is going all the week. Everything is too clear, guys, here. The only thing will make me scared tell now about the Bitcoin is that divergence we got here. As you see it, we got here a very clear divergence in that indicator that is telling us that time here the momentum or the volatility it's being too much or too high compared where we are now, but the market is showing now also we are higher than the previous one. So something it's not right here. We need to wait in a little bit. And me I tell it, we wait in the correction. For the people they haven't entered, wait in the correction, then you enter long. For us to enter short, we don't got any price action here. It's telling us also we need to enter short. The only thing we got here is that trend line here. As you see it, that one the market's still far away from it. Here we used to have here a wage. That wage here is getting broke, as you see it. And that one to take profit for it, you came here and you calculating where is that one is going to go. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, the same thing like the daily. We got a divergence here because till now we got a divergence in the daily in the 4 hours, but there is no price action here telling us the market is going to reverse. That way, us we still waiting till the market tell us something different. But the good news in the weekly, us we are official in an uptrend. We're changing from the bear market to bull market, guys. That's why us we came here every day to you. So So in the 4 hours, we need to wait and more if the market is going to tell us something here, because in the 4 hours, as you know, us here is just for swing trading. It's not for long-term investing. Here, if it give us here a price action, we are going to enter short, because till now, as I told you, we got here a divergence. But as I tell you, it will not fall down that much just to here, to that level here, exactly, to 25k here. And after that, we're going to find another opportunity for us to enter long, because as you know, us we've been here with you for some time now. Us, we are not just came today. We've been with you when the market from 2021, when the market started falling down. And the only thing we're asking you just to support us by smashing the like button, to writing for us down comments, to helping us, because me as so other channels, they don't giving people any value and they getting million views. Us, we still smaller and smaller. Now we are going to 1 year and something. So please guys, support us by just smashing the like button, and if you could even share the video. I think picture is too clear here. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing. I'll show you even here. We got here a very clear divergence here. Should we enter short? Not yet, my friend. We need to wait in the market to give us here a price action at least. Here now we don't got any price action here in that level telling us we need to enter. And us, I tell you, even that one in the last videos, I tell you, us here, we are in the bull market now. Now the weekly it confirmed for us, the daily it confirmed for us. Yes, we got a divergence, but maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin going up and breaking up everything here. Or another scenario is going to fall down to here, to the middle here. Then after that, it will going up. So till now, there is nothing confirmed. We need to wait and more. We need a price action here telling us the market is going to reverse. Till now, there is nothing there. So we need to wait and more here. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our other indicator with saying. That one here, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. So technically now, you need to look for short. But me, I don't think so. But we need to wait in at least a price action. When we don't got any price action, so there is no short, guys. So we need to wait and more till the market tell us the market is going to reverse. And that's what me have been telling you from the start. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Yes, you are right. In the last video, what I told you? I told you, for people they haven't entered from that flag here. You remember that flag here? That the video in Saturday, when it's breaking here. I tell you, if you haven't entered from here, there is another price action here. Look at it. Like that. Very clear like that. And here in the top, I told you came here. And you connecting those dots. That one here and that one here. And that one here, and you got a very clear wage here. So that wage, if the market breaking above here in that level here, you enter long. And someone he told me, I don't say where to put stop loss. Stop loss, you put it down here, down in that level here, because depending on your money management, you can even put it here, because no matter how much you risking per trade. And for the short, if the market came and breaking down here, you put stop loss here in that level. Remember those things. So for the long, where it needs to be the stop loss, for the long, the stop loss it needs to be down. For the short, the stop loss it needs to be up. For you to enter long, it needs that one to come to break up. For you to enter short, it needs that one to come to break down here. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. So technically now you need to looking for short opportunity. Yes or no? For you to enter short, what me I told you? I told you got here a trend line like that. Very clear trend line like that. You waiting that one to come to break down here for you to enter short. That's it. That's for the short. For the long, what me I told you? I told you the same thing here. You got here a way. If the market came and breaking above here, you enter long, guys. Everything is so clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. See you in after European market close. Bye for now, guys.